First of all, hello all. How are you? How are you doing? I'm sure definitely you will be good. Have a blasting life. I'm also well. So basically I came here today for this video. Like after the Wazuh video, I got a lot of response, lot of positive response. A lot of people ask me different questions. Some people email me, some people text me, some people WhatsApp me. They ask me a lot of questions in respect of Wazuh configuration, Wazuh real time, how we can implement real-time Wazuh in enterprise situation. Also they asked me some customized question also. So for this reason basically I came here online today and making this video for Wazuh. Definitely I am glad for your feedbacks, for your insights. Definitely I am overwhelmed actually. So thank you for giving me feedback. Definitely feedback means improvement. So a lot of people know nowadays that life is very difficult in UK here. So I have to do everything. I have to go office, I have to cook, I have to do all the other activities here. So I get very little time to make some videos kind of thing, and I completely shifted my focus from cyber security to information security. Like I'm conducting some classes on CISSP. I'm preparing some student for the CISSP exam because CISSP is very difficult kind of thing. I'm making video on CISSP. I'm doing some activities on CISSP. So but still your requests are one of the thing I need to follow, because for you I am here. And for that reason I was planning to make a whole series of video of Wazuh. So Wazuh is a very big, very vast thing. I don't know all of them. Whatever we do with Wazuh in our enterprise environment, I will try to show you. One of the difficult thing I demonstrated you regarding the file integrity monitoring. I also will show you the threat hunting kind of thing. So I will start the video series from installing Wazuh to deployment of agent. One I will make a lot of videos, series of videos, and I'll try to catch up with you. So because we have a lot of viewers, those are the beginner of SIEM, even they don't know how SIEM works. So I need to think for them also how the sword works, how the SIEM works. I need to show them from the beginning. So I'll make this video series like that way. But don't need to worry, it will be super easy, super exciting. And another thing I need to tell you, I will share whatever resource is necessary for your lab, for your setup, for your environment. So you don't need to buy from any other places. You don't need to take the headache of creating those. You can just take my resources and do your own lab. So without delay, let's go to the lab. Thank you.